Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwitheli.com, and today I want to be showing you a card with the Rooted in Nature, which is one of my favorites. I love all the images on this one, and definitely those sentiments are really great. So I'm going to be using this one that says Thinking of You, as well as those leaves, and I'm going to be pairing it with one of the brand new design series papers that we have now, and this one is the Magnolia Lane, which I just think like it's just very nice. I think all the colors are really good, and anyway, you're gonna love it. So let's get started with the card. So I have a piece of Mossy Meadow, Mossy Meadow, and this one is 8.5 by 5.5. So this is gonna be my card base, and I'm gonna be folding it in half. So let's just put point. And always use your bone folder. That way you have a nice crisp fold. Then I have two pieces of design series paper, and these were 1.5, I believe so. Yeah, 1.5 by 2.5. Yeah, both. Yeah, 2.5. So both of them. And then I have a piece that it is 3 by 4. And so these are gonna go. In my head, this is what I am picturing. So, of course, we'll have to see how that goes. But I'm picturing something like that. And I probably want to have this one's like here. So, I'll have to play with that. And then I have already... Oh, yeah. And I have already die cut the third circle from the smallest to the largest of the Stitches Frameless. Which, by the way, guys, if you don't have this set, you definitely have to have that one because it's just amazing. It has ovals, squares, and circles. And I've been using this one so much that I couldn't recommend this. Everyone will have to have one of those. Now, I also have a piece of Petal Pink, and this one is 3/4 of an inch by about 4. But you're going to be cutting the edges, so don't worry about that. It's going to go somewhere like that. So this is a layout that I am going to be having. And then I have here an insert, which is going to go for the inside of our card. So this one will be here. And this one was 3.5. Yeah, 3.5 by 4 3/4. So this one will go here. Alright, so what are we going to be doing? What we're going to be doing here is we're going to bring scrap paper here. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna bring this one. I'm gonna bring the Mossy Meadow, and I'm gonna go ahead and stamp off and put it like that. And just one, because I don't want that many. I don't want it to be that overwhelmed. On this one, we're gonna be stamping the sentiment in Early Espresso. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp. Alrighty. Okay. And then I'm going to go back with the Mossy Meadow and the leaves. I'm going to leave it for a second to dry, because I think I just re-inked this one. Is too, yeah, I think it's too like wet still. So let's just let it dry for a second, at least in my case, just because it's too inky. I don't want to be. Ooh, look at this. We could even do this way. Wow. This could also this could also have been another one, but I really want the flowers to show up, so I'm gonna go like so. So I'm gonna put those here. So let's just bring the adhesive. Oh my goodness. Give me a second here. And now let's just think about that one. This one kind of here. Right? Just so that I know. Yeah. So this one will have to be like somewhere here. There we go. And then let's do the same thing here. And now I just need to go like the same way. I could have also glued down a whole piece, or cut down a piece of 4.25 by 3, but these were scraps that I have from other projects that I've been working on, so I didn't want to be wasting it. So if you have scraps, this is a really great way for you to use your paper. This one I'm just gonna go ahead then and glue it down while we're waiting for that other piece. Yep. And so this one will go like so. Yep. And then for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little banner with the, I'm gonna cut the edges with, oh my goodness, let's see, yeah, with the Tailor Tack punch. Let me see, got a little bit here. Alright, like so. See how beautiful it's gonna be? Now, I could even, and let me see, I don't know that I want to, but there's also a near ribbon, which we'll see. Let's see, what if I do, just because it's see-through, it might look kind of cute, maybe? So let me just think. No, it takes so much out of the design series paper, don't you think? Yeah, I don't like it. I'm gonna take this off. Yeah. Sometimes I like to play around just to see what I would like, and sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't. So alright, so now that I have this one, I'm gonna stamp off. Oh, is that? Yes, I'm like, for whatever reason I thought this was there we have it. Oh, we have it. Yes. What do you think, huh? So I have a little bit of the leaves. It's kind of cute. And so this one will go here. Oh yes. And I'm gonna be popping up these. Now this one will be glued down to our, oh my goodness, to our sentiment. So I want it like so, and then this whole thing is going to be raised with our dimensionals. So I'm going to put 3 of those, and then I'm going to be putting 1 on each, and another one here. All right. Okay, so this one will go like so. And then let's glue down this one. Alrighty, so what do you think, huh? It looks really nice. I love it. So anyway, so thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to sign up for my email list, because that's the that's where I let you know about upcoming classes as well as different promotions that I have. And definitely you do not want to be missing any of the card classes that I have, where I pretty much do 6 classes to go. I'm sorry, 6 cards to go, and there's different options to either get the tutorial or get the card kit to go, or a card kit to go plus the stamp set. So definitely don't want to miss information about that. So anyway, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Oh, and one more thing, when you sign up to my mailing list, you also get access to 5 free tutorials for you to get more inspirations with your card making. Thank you and have a good day. I'll see you soon.